Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, a new vlog. Anyway, just had to do the intro because I never get the time to do it this morning, and I woke up late and I had to book a Uber. But me tell you more when we have time. Right now we just are open up and guest around and so forth, saying that I'm not gonna on my phone. So yeah, that's the pool and my roommate over there. So just open up the vlog. Thank you for coming. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to come over here, son, and subscribe. Okay? And I'll catch you back in the next clip. As I said, I'm just opening the vlog. Right? Good morning, guys. So today is Sunday. Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers, and happy Father's Day to my father. To all the man them we play the father role. To kids that's not there, it's happy Father's Day to you too. Anyway, I am here waiting on the Uber to go to work. Yes, that's how this week is looking. And guys, I'm confused, like, I don't know what to do. I'm honestly confused. I am. No. I soon get to sit down and talk to them on a real level. You understand? As you don't know, I give up the car. Because I can't bother with the fuss and the fight. I just can't bother. I don't like problem, you know? So I give it up. So yeah, that is that. I am waiting on the ride. I think this is it. So let's see. Yeah, she's there. I don't know, I'm kind of annoyed. I feel annoyed. I just feel like I don't want to be there. It's tired. Everything just like get to me. Literally. Anyway, today is Sunday. As I said, Father's Day. Surprisingly, people they here. I don't know. They think I don't know their yard. Even though if they stay at your house, where you get paid. But I'm going to show you. You only get what? 2 orders. You only big dozen, about $3. That's not if so much. But yeah, but I am tired. Yeah, but if I walk out tomorrow, I got a movie. Just the thought of it stresses me out. 6 a.m. and then I come over here, so even though I'm scheduled not to come. So I don't know, it depends on how I feel tomorrow. I'll decide if I come here or not. But it is what it is. Guys, done work about 9 o'clock today. And tomorrow we have 6 a.m. at the mail room. Then I'm gonna go to the pool just for hours, not really the tip. I made a lot of tips today, like the most tip I've ever made at the pool. I don't know if it's because it's Father Day. It's not that bad. I'm working tomorrow 6 a.m. Then that is Monday, right? And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Also, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 6 a.m. And it's supposed to be like a wedding, so it's gonna be busy. So the good thing is that I'm gonna make some fast tips, and then I have my hours at the pool with some little tips. So that a whole heap of hours. Can you imagine from 6 a.m. all the way back to 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Whole heap hours. Whole heap. About 15 or so. Yeah. So I don't know how I'm gonna do the vlog here, but I do it, and I feel like I may edit the vlog the Thursday and try to put it out. So you might miss a day and you might miss a Friday, but at least it'll come out on a Saturday. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but if when I get Friday, just say yeah, thank God. But based on how the time set up from 6 a.m. go all the way back, it'll go rough. I think Thursday I'm supposed to off. I don't know how it go, guys. Just bear with me, but you're not gonna get it Saturday, okay? But you may miss a day. Alright. So I got my bed, wake up early tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is Monday, and it is 5:40 something, I think. I am outside waiting on the Uber. We got late this morning, but oh well. I never tell them some more morning shift. Never tell them some more work at the mill room. I was forced without my will.
Yes, I was forced. I was forced by them. I didn't do it willingly, of my own mind.
So we never did get any Uber. So we just got late. That is that. Here am I up again in the early morning. Don't want to, but guess what? Do it anyway because pay me gonna get paid for it. So I'm gonna work from 6 a.m. all the way to 8 tonight, and working tips both places. So I'm in the room for breakfast. I normally work like over $100 in tip, depending on the day, because it's during the week. You know, you're not gonna make much tip. They said that there's going to be a wedding, so I guess that's why they'll call me, because they want help. They don't have enough servers. And then in the pool, you work $12 per hour, so you get paid per hour. In meal room, you get $7.50 per hour plus tips. Pool, $12 per hour plus tips. So it's alright. As we reach the third day, me already in a overtime, and you know, me I work 7 days a week. So when you check it out, we have like 140 hours. So we have over 50 to 60 hours in overtime. So that's then, you know, so then start paying me like $18 or so. So just gonna do it for this week and see how that work out and see if the money alright. Last period, the money name bad, not tell a lie. The money to save, I tell you how much I save. I don't want to not check out my pocket. The money to save $2,000 now, and I know some money. Yeah. So that's an idea for those who want to know how much you can make while serving, and that's for 2 weeks. So I'm gonna save that, and when I know some, and me use some, and me have some. So that's just a rough idea. The pay period before that, same thing. So now that I'm working extra hours, extra tip, then I'm supposed to get more money. So we will see how that go. I'm gonna tell you how today go, because it seems like somebody else didn't get fired. Because when I look on the schedule, I don't see her. I don't know if for the same reason why. But you know, so there's gonna be some tension there. Today, not so it's me, one chatty person, and one girl. We're nice. She seems nice. She says she black, but she look mixed. But this whatever. She nice. She didn't make nothing bother her. And I realized that she's not serving, and we didn't actually love her when she did a host. Them have a new host, and yeah, let's see how that go. I'm just gonna keep myself to myself, do what I have to do, and then cut and go through. You get me? Yeah. So just now put yourself with on the Uber. So just a check in. This week me I work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in the main room plus the pool. So we're gonna see if we can get like the Thursday off and just work the Wednesday and today in the pool because them didn't give me off. And see if we can do the vlog. Edit the vlog the Thursday. I don't know, may miss out Friday, but at least this is me try. So the Friday may come in on the other vlog. Yeah. But it's gonna release this Saturday. You get me? So just cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. I'm working. Anyway.
Got no issues, it's kinda nice. Like running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived. Picture perfect, it don't exist. But when I'm with you, don't have to question it.
Do you wanna be in my vlog?
No, very well. Huh?
She's my paparazzi. I'm famous.
Everyone is leaving the pool because it is about to rain.
No, Vanessa,
Hmm?
laugh.
We're gonna die. Thanks for together.
The pool is closed. Like literally. The brother was and everyone is gone. It's gonna rain. Let me show you. How many black guys have you been with?
I'm not gonna say the number.
'Cause I think you're black, you know.
I definitely was born.
You're, you know, wait, come here. You know what they say, the black people, that tree is white, they're Oreo? What's the reverse of that?
Oh my god.
What's black on the outside? No, what's white on the outside?
Oh my god, wait.
You know when you cookies that are white on the outside and black on the inside?
No.
No, those are black on the outside, white on the inside. And that's the same on the.
There's gonna be a storm around here.
If we all go down, we're going together.
Right. Yeah? So the vlog me a vlog? Bombat. Okay, we're going. Okay, we're going. Then turn off.
You can't even be out here. We ain't got that going, ain't
By your wig flare.
How am I supposed to work in these conditions?
Alright guys, so we're here, we're in a fall. We have to come off the deck because it's like a thunderstorm and it's illegal to be outside. That's what they were saying. So we cannot be outside. So we're just staying at this day because we don't want to go into the lunchroom because you know the lunchroom are full and other areas, so we just stay right here. So because we just want to chill by ourselves outside are poor cats and dog. I know they can barely hear me, but yeah. That is it. I don't mind still because from morning I work and I'm tired. Oh boy, there are some people that I just extremely love. Like this girl. When she's at work, she makes us laugh every day. Like, I love her so much. Her name ends with G. So if she sees, you will know it's she. G. Yeah. She's gonna drop us home. How lovely of her. It's raining. We close early. And yeah, I'm happy. Everybody's home. Like, the pool is literally empty because we're going to have a thunderstorm for the rest of the night. into tomorrow and the rest of the week. So let's see how that go. So you see, God always has set me up, you know. God always has set me up, because this week I'm going to go to the main room and Birdwood, and if rain fall, that means say the pool will go close. But me still have a work. God, you see you? God always set me up. God always a look out for me. Big up God. That's the topic. Big up God. Yeah. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday and we're not working today because it's supposed to rain all day. We're not started. Hey, listen, me just at work, me not gonna wait, me no need for shave, okay? Yeah, so me just do me hair, me have my fall locks fan and can't get to do me hair, and I make some call. So that's the plan of the day. So based on how the schedule look this week, me I think it'll look better next week, and we can't manage to get up and put on the week every morning. That's why I'm beard and go through. You understand? Alright. So me catch you all later on in the day. Alright guys, so me just done plait out all of my hair, and now I'm gonna install the fall locks. Like I'm gonna just leave it like this now, but can't matter. Can't matter. So roommate out there cook, and I think I started plaiting up my hair like 9 o'clock, but me been on the phone with people because sure the one like a day me have to call everybody. Yeah, I'm just done. It is 12:40. Not really just done, but yeah, it is now 12:40 and I'm going to install the hair. So that is how my hair is looking when it plaits out. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do that and continue. Today is not a vlog day, but I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing today. I want to go and edit and maybe do some other stuff. But yeah, later guys. You know, it's a big man thing because I just plait up me enough time and leave it. I don't know why I think it wouldn't fit me. Like, big man thing. Plait up me here and leave it and make it go and grow. And then, you know, normally when you hear plait up, it start get fluffier and fluffier as the day go by. Like, we need to try that one day, but not this time. Alright guys, so just put in the fall locks. Now we need to wrap it around, guys. So you can see me here still. But guess what? If anything, we can always catch it up and nobody will know. But yeah, and this didn't take long. It probably take 40 minutes or so. Because I don't remember what I said in the last clip, but it is now 1:35 and we did stop and go check for my roommate because she there cook. Yes, get your roommate, we can cook. So while me do me here, she cook, I think she had the rice and peas and fried chicken. I can smell it. Yeah. So that is that, and now I'm gonna wrap it. So new year starts tomorrow. So I just come from out of the shower. And I put on one other night clothes. So I leave out one night clothes to the other one, so you know how the day went. And when you see me catch up, you know what's going on. Like, and that's another net. I install all of the fall locks, but I'm gonna wrap everything yet. Like, I'm gonna leave that for next day, and I know say that next week. And the first time it happened, I'm so good at that. Ew. Anyway, yes. So, share my eyebrow, catch up me hair, see when I'm gonna rock it for the week. The good thing that I'm gonna have to get up every day and comb my hair. The HR manager was here. I guess it sounded like him not check your bed, so like so one more person come like, we can't manage. Like, we can't manage. Like, this life is not for me. I don't remember what I was saying earlier, but the roommate come in the room, so I just in it, cause yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna eat right now. Yeah, I'm gonna eat right now. My roommate cook. Big up to she. Look at what I'm eating. Fried chicken and cooked down chicken, vegetable and rice and peas. You know I apply me. Yeah, you know I apply me. And then me have me juice in here so. I go watch some Netflix and chill. I don't know. I don't know how the editing will go, but it's gonna go on, alright? So, catch you when I catch you, okay? Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, guys, and I'm at it again. Yesterday, as you all know, I didn't go to work because it was supposed to rain and there was no rain. Like, they tell me not to come to work and no rain or fall, like literally. But if you see out the door how the sky look, it's like today, rain not gonna fall. Yeah, so I'm just here, I wait on the Uber, and guys, like, yes, last week I was on the verge of looking for a car. I'm still a look car and I'm still a look car. It's just that me now, because I talk to someone, because the thing is, before I make any drastic decision, I always seek different opinion, different advice. So I seek two advice. One of them I tell me to go ahead, and then the next one I say, yo, Vanessa, don't do nothing in a rush, because when you do things in a rush, that's when you shake up. And me see the car, I like the car, and I say, yeah, the car I eat. Because 5,000 I was a Nissan, part finer, it look clean and everything. And he said, don't buy the Nissan because Nissan give a lot of problem. I mean, I tell you, say the car look good. But you see, when you look on the note, it's like the man I say, oh, cash only, no negotiation, no this, no that. And I say, oh, you cannot do business like that because basically it's like you don't have no choice, right? So the organizer would never look on it and whatever, and then you just change your mind, and we're kind of glad, you know. Yes, I don't want to take no Uber to go work, but when in the long run, I am going to lose anyway because I already check up how much would I pay for Uber for the rest of this season. Would that be 4,000 now, right? It's a lot of money, and I don't want to do that. But on the other hand, if I buy a car, I still have to go use the money there. You understand? And even though the car may have a little value in it, because yes, I buy the car for 5,000, it's going to depreciate. I cannot sell it back for $5,000. But at least some of the value in there. Not only that, I have to think about the fact that I have to license, insurance, and buy gas. So that is additional spending. You get me? So either way you take it, you still have to spend money. So you just have to just either I just want Uber. Alright, take me a little time and buy a good car that can carry me through the season and carry me wherever I go. You get me? I say me now do the rush, as the guy say. So the best car to buy is a Honda or a Toyota because the parts them are cheap and it run good same way, even if your mileage high. And me I take heed, you know, me I take heed. So I know it kind of inconvenient right now, but we still have to make a wise move. So I just feel like we need to come and tell you that because last week we ended on that, and this week we'll probably wonder what I go on. Yes, I am still looking, but I'm not look as fast as I could. Just take it easy, take one day at a time. For now, we go and take the Uber. The good thing is that I may decide not to ride with them or drive the car. So I don't want to be a part of that because I don't like the whole bagga. Yeah, my roommate can go drive with them if she want, because she never have no altercation with them, so she's good on that. So if she decide not to, then that's on her, but she can drive with them. So me have to look out for it. You get me? I said, yeah. I don't know how to go. It's supposed to rain all week. Thank God I got my room so I can still make money. Because when it rains, the pool closes and you know, make the money at the pool. So I bring clothes to carry, go work today, even though I was not scheduled to work at the pool today, because I want to take Thursday off so I can get the vlog all sorted out so that you can get it on Saturday. Yeah, even though I may miss Friday, I think I may miss or I may not have to miss Friday, but we're gonna try to sort out everything by Thursday, download it just in case I cannot put in Friday clip. So if we get Friday, there's no say me stay up whole night I sort out Friday clip. Yeah, so right now, wait on the Uber. I gotta work, keep myself to myself, and do what I have to do. Guys, me, and I do one more thing. Hey, the place is a real drama, you know. Not really drama, but a real, you know, not to what to say, because I'm watch my vlogs. Yeah, them watch my vlogs. So, now I say what I to say, but when they get to me, I say, I'll be sure. Why? You can't believe, like, this is the main reason why I never like write yourself, because you have all of the women them a push out the work, and the man them just come like say them a and them a choose easier set of work as a man if you do. Man come in and I just pay chatting, you miss me for about half an hour, and we did a bus myself around the back. I do the side work them. Like, I don't understand. When if they feel good in themselves, you see the woman them a take charge. Anyway, look at the view. This is the view. And rain a fall already. It a June. This is the outside patio where they eat. But for breakfast we don't really use out here. So rain actually start June already. Yeah. So we just let me say something I don't know this more. Because we did a bar. We cut up strawberry for the waffles. Them me sort out. I don't do nothing else more. I'm in a robot. Just wait for the time start. But it seems like it's going to rain today, so I don't know if roommate will go figure out work today. And if it rains, then I just go back home. So that's good. So we can focus on the vlog. We started last night, but we need to meet and find it. And we need to put today in it and tomorrow and Friday. So it's looking up. Yeah. Anyway, I'll talk to you when I can. Guys, my day here, you know. If I get sick, I'm my fault. I walk in the rain, I go over to the pool because girl no want to go home. You don't want extra hours. So I'm supposed to done work. And the thing is, me I do it phone, you know, because me I say if me I work today, tomorrow and Friday, it's like hard to edit. So I want to take the Thursday off. So that's how me I work today. And rain off. Me almost reach it. Almost reach. And me I come over this the run. Run cause don't get wet. And try to walk. It's what the tree them there. And the rain come down faster. Who no fault? Who no fault? Don't know why me even not go because no business, but guess what? Hours is there. And that is why I'm going, because the hours is there. We reach finally. So I walk over, I still go check if we can work or not. So I'm walking to the break room because it's raining and you know what happens when rain fall. So I'm just gonna just look in there and see what I'm going there. If no people in there, I'm not going there. If nobody in there, then I'll go in there. Can you believe that people in the rain are swim? Like, really? People crazy, you know? People crazy. Ready when I fall, I just walk in my bed and wrap up. I don't know what to do. Like, what? Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday. Just done work. It is now 11:02. 11:02. I'm away on the Uber. Today did slow, rain a fall, so no pool today. Like, what I say, no, big up God, cause God set me up so I still have a work. Big up God always. That's why you have to always be grateful. And even though they might play unfair, things always work out in the end. So yeah, so I'll link you back, okay? Reach back home finally. I'm gonna edit some video, watch a movie. Me here want to finish, but me not finish that night. Me feel probably later on, if not later on, or next day. If you look how the place dark, and at early morning it's like 11:30 because it's a rainy week. Like, I am so blessed to not even understand, but I'm so grateful for everything. Grateful for what God is doing in my life. Grateful. I know I'm gonna get this done and talk to you. Like the short, listen, it's something that my teachers know, so I just don't eat. But later on, because the house full. Yeah, later on. Alright guys, so today is Friday. Go both places, rain kind of stopped fall. It kind of slow, but the good thing is that they had a function and we were supposed to get tips split evenly. Anyway, because of that and the tip and work in the morning, it did kind of alright. Me satisfied. Yeah, satisfied. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put this clip in Nantaland. Hopefully next weekend be better. And if you don't realize it's short, yeah, it's short because we just have to do things fast because next week, guys, next week, worse. Every day is 6 a.m. apart from Tuesday. And then I work every day apart from Tuesday and Wednesday in the pool. So me have to change up the days of when the vlogs release instead of releasing it on a Saturday. Me have to. But for now, let's see how that go. And yeah, so if you reach this far into the video, you know, subscribe, like we're upon the subscribe, you know, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, and stay tuned for the next vlog. Thank you for sticking by, and I catch you next week. Okay, all right.